5 Best Cordless Vacuum for Luxury Vinyl Plank Floors. Number 1. Dyson V11 Torque Drive Cordless. For cleaning your LVP plank flooring safely, you need a vacuum that comes with a soft brush and immersive suction. And our editorial team scrutinizing the market find out this best deal for you. Dyson V11. The Dyson V11 comes with a mini soft dusting brush. With it, you can pick up dirt and dust from the vinyl surface without getting it scratched. So, you don't need to be worried about the safety of your delicate floor. Therefore, this Dyson vacuum comes with a long battery life that you can run up to 60 minutes. As a result, you can cover a large room and clean it evenly without any disturbance. On top of that, it comes with a mini motorized brush tool and a crevice tool. Using these, you can pull out stubborn dust from nooks and crannies efficiently. Number 2. Shark Navigator Freestyle Upright Stick Cordless Bagless Vacuum. Shark Navigator Vacuum will be your next go-to vacuum for its optimum cleaning efficiency and easy to empty. This Shark vacuum comes with a motorized brush tool. With it, you can lift away embedded dirt, dust, and pet hair from the surface efficiently. On top of that, you can optimize the speed setting based on carpet and bare floor. So, no suction loss will occur and will not be a barrier for optimum cleaning. The large dirt cup of this vac can hold a lot of dirt. In return, you don't need to waste a vast amount of time emptying the bin often. Besides, its top and bottom empty design of the bin makes dumping the dirt easy without touching the debris. Number 3. Musu Cordless Vacuum 4-in-1. We bring Musu Cordless Vacuum for its multi-floor cleaning efficiency, easy to lug around, and advanced filtration system. The powerful 2200 mAh battery offers immersive suction to pull out dirt and dust from every surface type. Besides, its LED lights allow you to trap the hidden dust from dark areas and remove them away. On the flip side, this vacuum comes with a cyclonic filtration system. As a result, it can capture 99.99% of particles and keep the air fresh. The best thing about this vac is you can wash the filter to maintain its cleaning efficiency. Therefore, the lightweight design of this vacuum cleaner lets you carry it around the house. Number 4. Eureka NEC222 Hyper Clean. At number 5, we bring Eureka Stylus for its multi-functionality, optimum cleaning capability, and long run time. The auto height adjustment with a powerful motorized nozzle lets you clean all floor types with ease. Besides, you can control cleaning modes to switch between 3 levels of suction. In return, you don't need to hassle to change the motor speed based on the flooring type. It saves your time and lets you tidy up the ground evenly. Therefore, the swivel steering of this vac lets you maneuver it through the tight spaces like a breeze. Now, you can remove dirt from every nook and cranny. On the flip side, the LED lights allow you to trap dirt from dark areas. The only issue we found about this vac is its weight. It's a bit heavier for old citizens to handle it effortlessly. Number 5. Shark VM252 vacmop Pro Cordless Hard Floor Vacuum Mop. If you are looking for a cleaning combo that lets you vacuum and mop at the same time, then Shark VM252 is just for you. Now, you don't need to sweep away dirt like you did using a traditional mop. Its powerful vacuum suction allows you to lock away every sort of dirt and dust. On the other hand, it comes with a multi-surface cleaning formula to remove stuck-on messes from sealed floors like vinyl. Therefore, this Shark vacuum has LED lights to illuminate hidden dust and remove them optimally from dark areas. Afterward, the weight of this vac is less than 5 pounds. That makes it easy to lug around it and cleans every corner.